The All Progressive Congress Youth League, led by Comrade Olamide Lawal, has reaffirmed its unwavering support for the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's 2027 re-election bid. During a courtesy visit to the APC National Secretariat in Abuja, Comrade Lawal emphasized the League's commitment to the President's renewed hope agenda and highlighted the organization's recent efforts to propagate the administration's achievements across the country.
We are creative thinkers, and that is why we have been able to come out boldly. It is not easy to come out boldly and say that we are showing this kind of support to the president. Recently, we had Tinubu Loyalty Walk, whereby we highlighted all the achievements of the president. We have become the mouthpiece of the president, taking his message, his renewed hope messages down to the grassroots. And like we have said, we are going to replicate that bold move across all the 36 states by ensuring that we take the front role in ensuring that the president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is returned back to the office come 2027.
APC National Youth Leader Dayo Israel praised the League for its dedication and resilience, commending their grassroots efforts. Comrade Israel encouraged Nigerian youths to remain patient and focused, reaffirming the party's collective goal to return Tinubu to office in 2027.
So I want to use the opportunity to commend the APC Youth League under the leadership of my brother LL for the work that they're doing and for the development that they are implementing through the support group on behalf of the president in the name of the administration. I want to commend them on the wonderful event that we had recently, and they have the support of the youth wing and national youth leader, by the grace of God, to continue to help them to be able to achieve their dreams and their goals for Nigeria. Together we'll work together to re-elect our president come 2027, inshallah.
I'm going to give assurance to Mr. President that we, the people of Akwa Ibom, to show all our concern for our governor to come to APC, and we all the youth, we promise him that we all the youth, we are going to support him. There's nothing like coalition in Akwa Ibom State. God bless you.
With the interests of Nigerians at large, we are committed to ensure the engineering process of our democracy has been championed by our own leader, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We want to restate our commitment and our faith in this government, and that irrespective of the noise we are hearing, the coalition noise, we also believe that with the capacity of the president and with the works he's doing for Nigerians, we believe and we know that come 2027, the elections will be won by the APC.